I was just gonna say such a blessing. These, why they're always such a blessing to have water with that kind of snow. And it's going down to water the animals so that I don't have to worry about water. And to think I got that from a YouTube video from people in Thailand using bamboo sticks to pull water from the river to flood their rice crops. And I was like, well, shoot, if they can do it with bamboo, I can do it with PVC. 4 or 3 prototypes, and then that one to lead to fresh water so that the animals can be taken care of. And I don't have to be carrying out buckets of water in the middle of this kind of snowstorm. Oh, hey, Lily's coming, or Natalie's coming. Oh, boom! On the fence. It's like that one, it's like slalom in the Olympics. Hey, everybody, I know. I didn't do this. It's not my fault. You can hear the cardinal in the background there.
I'm gonna get it.
All the way to the spring. And that's what we call a storytelling tieback.